Hey guys, welcome to Wiki Procedure Videos channel and kindly subscribe our channel for more informative videos. So in this video, we are going to see how to obtain license register for jute bags manufacturing in Haryana. The link I'm highlighting right now is provided below description of this video. You can click on it to reach this page. So next, to apply online, please click on this link that we have provided over here. Once you click on this link, it will be directly go to this page. So now you have to scroll down. So now you have to click on the UDM registration, online registration for MSME. Then you can click on the for new entrepreneurs who are not registered. So on the registration form, you have to enter your Aadhaar card number, name of Aadhaar, and then click on the validate and generate OTP button. So also an OTP will be sent to your registered mobile number linked with the Aadhaar. Please enter the OTP at the prompter space under the one-time password and then click on the validate button to get the online registration form. Then you can complete the page prompts as appropriate and then upload all the necessary documents. Once all the mandatory details are filled, please click on the checkbox for the declaration and then click on the submit button. So a pop-up with alert message will be provided. Please click on the OK button and follow the resulting on-screen information. Please save the acknowledgement slip for the online submission of the application for future reference. This application will be proceed further. So you can follow the department notification and follow the guidance to get the card. The card will be delivered to the address mentioned on the application or it will be delivered as per applicable norms. Then there are the required documents of detailed information and in office and location section provided with the departments and contact details that need to be approached for this process. Then in fee section for more fee details, please use this links. So we have provided all the information in each and every section. If you have any queries or about videos, just comment us so we will get back to you as soon as possible. And kindly subscribe our channel for more informative videos. Thank you.